Now to Puerto Rico, where Hurricane Maria came on land this morning as a Category 4 storm with 155-mile-per-hour winds. David Begnaud filed this report from San Juan this morning as the storm hit.
This video was taken just outside of our hotel room, showing the force of Maria's violent winds. It was enough for the hotel to order guests down to the lobby level. The region was still rebounding from the last storm, Irma, when Maria rolled in.
We've never had any back-to-back hurricanes before.
Yolanda Maldonado has been without power since Hurricane Irma 2 weeks ago. Now she's in a shelter in San Juan.
I've passed through hurricanes, but this one, it's going to be very hard.
Eddie Negrin and his 11-year-old daughter Jacia Deeth are riding out the storm in a hotel room.
We are trying to do the best we can to survive.
You can see this one as well. It's wood.
We were with Puerto Rico's governor when he walked the streets yesterday, personally pleading with people to evacuate to a shelter. Can the island of Puerto Rico survive a direct hit from a Category 4 or 5?
We'll take a big hit, but our people are resilient. They're strong. We showed it after Irma. We were there to help other U.S. citizens in their time of need. Now we're going to need a helping hand.
We are actually being evacuated into the hotel where we're staying. The guests are currently in an emergency stairwell, and that's where we're headed right now.
That was David Begnaud reporting, and he is safe.
Tonight in St.